Last video, we discussed that how we could build alert message in Blazor application using Matblazor. In this episode, I will discuss how we can customize this Matblazor alert so that we can add our own HTML and CSS that fits with our application style guideline. Okay, let's add a shared folder here. Inside the shared folder, I'm adding a component for alert. Name will be alert dialog, and here I'll add the dialog from the Matblazor dialog. This is the official website of Matblazor. Here let's search the dialog. So here we can see the dialog. Let's copy this sample HTML. Let's paste here. So title, I'm changing the title, say alert, and let's remove this code. Now also we do not need, alert should have only one button, that is OK. And let's add a CS file of this alert dialog here. Add partial keyword. Okay, let's define a parameter here. Public string message and the attribute parameter so that we can pass this message from other component, and we also need to add the mat dialog reference here. This will be the cascading parameter. And for closing, to close this alert, I am adding this event handler method and passing false. So in the result file, this message will be added in the content section, alert content section, and inside the on click, I'm passing the on close event handler method. I will use this component for alert message, and this is our code. We can add easily title here. If you want, we can easily add additional message in the content section, or we can change the caption of OK button. As well as we can easily add CSS to improve alert design. Okay, let's add this component as alert message inside the display customer component. Here, let's comment out the existing code. And inside here, the dialog service use OpenAsync. This OpenAsync method can open a component as a dialog. Let's see. This API have two parameters. One takes component as a parameter, and another is the mat dialog options. So let's prepare the mat dialog option here. Here, the first parameter is the component. So I'm adding the alert component here, the alert dialog component. And I should have the type of. And second parameter is the option. The option object has a property attributes, that is the dictionary. So in here we can see the parameter name is the message. So I'm adding here message, and value is the customer has orders and cannot be deleted. Let's save and run the application. Okay, let's click the delete button. Here we can see the content is coming from our alert dialog. If we want, we can make this title dynamic and the OK button caption dynamic. Let's do it. So in here, I need to add another parameter, public title, and attribute must be parameter, and another parameter, public string, OK button text, OK text parameter. Let's change the hard-coded title and hard-coded caption of OK button. Okay, let's pass the title and OK text from the display customer. So here I need to add the title delete action, and then in similar the OK text here. Yeah, I'm changing OK to acknowledge. Let's save. Let's see in browser. Let's click the delete button. Here we can see title has been changed as well as the caption of the OK button has been changed. Thank you.